That's a clean pool. Guys, look at how clean my pool is. It's sparkling, like it's crystal clear. But guys, it is hot out today and we are just having some fun in the pool. Welcome back. Let's just have some fun. Man, that is so much fun. How fun is it to have your own pool at your house?
It is really fun.
And our pool is nice and clean.
I have a bigger pool though.
Yeah, I mean, always. So I'm like super excited about blowing those air rings. I just figured out how to do that. There's another way where you can put your fists together underwater and like kind of open them up together and it makes like a horizontal ring. Haven't figured that one out yet, but I'm gonna keep practicing.
Yeah.
I mean, these things right here, ever since I was a kid, summertime meant popsicles. And these freezy pops are everything.
You were a kid?
Yeah, when I was a kid too.
Like me?
Yeah.
And Bubby.
And Bubby too. I got an idea. Listen to our dogs. They are running around like crazy. It's quite warm out, so let's finish our freezy pops and let the dogs play in the hose. Dude, this is the funniest thing ever, especially in slow-mo. These dogs love the water. They love it so much. Ah, Eliza, no! What do you think? Do you think the puppies like the water? They love it, don't they?
Yeah.
They're super wet, aren't they?
Yeah.
They're probably not as hot anymore, huh?
No.
Nope. They probably feel nice and
I
cool.
don't like that one.
That one's like rain. Whoa, look at you, Miss Aviators. Woo. I'm just out here cleaning the garage. We had fun in the pool and we're just kind of cleaning up. And look, Eliza, I found this thing. This bubble maker, it's like we had that last year or 2 years ago. The solution's to shot, but she still likes it. Echo loves it. Okay, well, I mean, Veronica's home, Carson's home. They both want to go swim, so I think we're gonna swim again, but I just kind of wanted to, you know, upload a video today, just kind of catch up with you. No special trip, I mean, it's just a regular day for us, I think. And I feel like you guys actually missed that a little bit, and to be honest, I miss it too. Let me know what you think. I was tossing around the idea of maybe uploading every other day. What do you think about that? Let me know in the comments. Should we upload every other day? I think the majority of you are gonna be like, "Shut!" I don't know. Maybe it's time to make a comeback. But let me be clear, I don't want to promise you daily vlogs or anything like that, because I really am interested in doing more tech reviews, one of which, actually let me show you, is this guy lined up. I'm ready. I've had this for a minute and I kinda wanted to get used to how it works, what types of shots I can get with it. This thing right here, and big shout out to Rhino. This is made by a company, is the name on it? Yeah. This is made by a company called Rhino. They run the game when it comes to motion sliders. They hooked me up with this unit so I can show you guys all about its magic, and that one's coming very soon, like maybe in a few days. Yeah, this thing is really, really amazing. you've already seen some of the shots that come off of it. We used it in the movie for China. There's a couple of shots, let me know if you find them. There's a couple of shots that came from this slider, and I think they look really amazing. But yeah, okay, enough about that for now. We're gonna go swim again. Set, go! Yo, I don't care how shallow it is, on a hot day, that's amazing. Look at this. Are you wore out? Oh, princess.
I'm sleepy.
Okay, you can lay there and take a nap if you want. Carson's never experienced loud bass. Bubba's has two 12-inch American bass speakers with a 1,000 watt amp. Yep. And I've been really messing with the new Post Malone album. You know, younger kids maybe you don't want to listen to it, but there's a certain song that I think is okay. I was just listening to it. I think the bass on it would be just right. There you go. It's like half.
It's half.
Come on, don't be scared. It's nothing to be scared of. It's just music. Serious, it's alright. It's fun. Come on, I wouldn't want you to do it if it's not fun.
You heard the drum set, right?
Yeah.
Just about as loud.
Yeah, man.
All right.
All right, you got this. All right, so we're gonna listen to Candy Paint. It's got a good beat to it.
Just launched you.
It won't launch you, dude.
No, like what if it bounces you?
All right, let it roll, cause it takes a minute for the bass to kick in.
Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the wool up top. If you busy plotting on,
Put it up 20 dB. All right, what do you think?
I like that.
Is it cool? If you had a new person to a system or stereo system, what would be the song that you play to be like, yo, listen to my system? Everyone's got that one song. What would your song be, Caleb?
Dude, I don't know, honestly. There's a lot of good songs out there.
Yeah, for sure. But if you were like, check out my bass, what would be the song that you throw on that's like, this is what my bass can do?
I'd have to throw in some Yellow Wolf.
Oh, yeah? That's cool, huh? Your first bass experience. Yeah. This wasn't bad, was it?
No.
You were all nervous? Alright, let's get ready for some s'mores. I always tell my boys, when we build a fire, the best way to start it, if you have it, is dryer lint. So I always start with a nice base of dryer lint, use a little bit of cardboard and some twigs, and that's gonna get this thing going real quick. See, the reason we use dryer lint is because it burns, and it burns slow. And it'll make sure that all that cardboard catches fire.
And then all the sticks catch fire.
It's almost like a candle, dude. It's like, once it lights, it kind of stays lit, and then it lights everything else on fire. So it'll start that cardboard, and the cardboard will light the sticks, and then we'll build the actual fire with our wood. And I build 2 on either side. And then I take 2 and I put right over top of it.
Jesus. There we go.
And these big logs take a while to light. That's why we need some good stuff underneath it. There she goes, boys. Wait, where'd the boys go?
They left.
Liza.
What?
And there it goes, Liza. All right, I'm gonna come clean with you. We had to use a little bit of lighter fluid because all the wood and everything out here is wet from all the rain. Look how much wood is there and how small that fire is. Here's why. Look at this piece. You see that? You see all those bubbles coming out right there? It's all wet, man. Oh God. Oh. Oh. Dude, look at that tower. Yo, that's big. Nice purse.
It's a satchel.
Oh.
It's not a purse.
My mistake. All right, let's do it.
We have to set up a table.
Colin said he's gonna roast the marshmallows.
Yeah. Let's.
Liza, are these good?
Yeah.
Do you like them like that?
No.
You want them more cooked?
I don't like them like that.
I think Eliza's the one who doesn't really like the marshmallow cooked much at all. Together.
They're fused.
No!
As my prediction. My prediction was right.
Ah,
That's
they're
how
so
not to do it.
melty and delicious.
Look at my hair.
Wow. Cheers, buddy.
I want
Cheers, Nana. I mean, This has been a pretty nice chill day with all of the family, minus Carson for a little bit. We missed you today, buddy. What is it? Sweet tooth? But I think today was a great, example of what summer's all about, man. Just having fun with the kids. Playing in the water, the hot summer heat. I just love everything about it, guys. And I hope your summer is off to a great start too, guys. So that's pretty much where we're gonna leave you for today. I'm gonna finish this some more, and we're probably gonna hop on some Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you right back here next time.